Hello everyone, this is going to be part 3 of this video of the restoration of this Honda CT70. This is a 1977 and I remember when these were brand new in the dealership and I went to look at one. A few things I've had to do are re-grease the head bearings, or they're dry, and then repaint underneath the fenders, do gaiters. Another thing I did was inside the frame, I went ahead and greased the blank or the bare sheet metal that's in there. I don't want anything to rust out. The rest of it's pretty good. I put a little grease in the seams, keep things from rotting out. I used to live in a salt tropical climate, and I've seen metal rust out in the weirdest areas. Repainting the taillight and bracket, not taillight, but the taillight bracket. And the same thing here, painted underneath the fenders. And just took care of a few other things. These are the remaining pieces. Gas tank is probably going to go in today. Get that out of the way. And the new ignition switch. And of course you can see all the little bits and pieces I got laying around. I do got new Bridgestone tires. I'm installing them, along with some new rims. These are all the little pieces. Just try to remember where everything is. If you forget, or if you have bad memory, it kind of sucks when you have to try to remember everything. All right, well, enjoy the video and wait for the next one to come up. Hopefully have a little more progress on this bike. I am going to have to go into the cylinder. I got a new piston ring set, and this bike set is for over 20 years, so it's kind of frozen. You can move a little bit, but there's some rust inside the cylinder, so I'll take that off and get that cleaned up. And everything else seems to be okay. And then of course you got the typical, these guys ears tend to get bent. I straightened them up when I could. Get some touch-up paint and just live with it. Okay, well, enjoy the video.